Number 1, polynomials in standard form. To write the polynomial in standard form, look at the degree of each term and arrange the terms in order of decreasing degree. Okay, let's look at the polynomial in the concept check. We have a polynomial with 3 terms, right? So look at each term. Degree of this term is 0, right? Degree is 0. Degree of this term is 2. Okay, degree of this term right here is 1. So we have to rewrite this polynomial 3x squared first, then minus 4x plus 2. We have to arrange the terms in order of decreasing degrees. So let's try example number 1. Write the polynomial in standard form. Okay, look at each terms right here. This one has a degree 2, right? Degree 2. This term, degree 3. This term, degree 4. This term, degree 1. Constant, its degree is 0. So we have to rewrite this polynomial. Highest degree first, x to the 4 minus 2x cubed plus x squared minus x plus 1. This is the polynomial in standard form. Number 2. Number 2 is equal to, here this term has a degree 1. This term, degree 2, degree 3, constant, right? Constant is a degree 0. So, highest degree, 3, negative y cubed minus y squared plus 1 over 2y plus 2. The question is to write the polynomial in standard form. So let's talk about the definition of a polynomial first. Let's say we have one term, ax cubed. Then we can say this is a polynomial with one term, or we say this is monomial. Let's say we have two terms, ax cubed plus bx squared. Then we can say this is a polynomial with two terms, or we say this is binomial. Bi means 2, right? Let's say we have 3 terms, ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx. Then we can say this is a polynomial with 3 terms, or we say this is a trinomial. Tri means 3, right? Okay, let's say we have 4 terms, ax3 bx squared cx plus d. If the polynomial has 4 or more terms, then we just say this is a polynomial with 4 terms. Polynomial with 4 terms. If the polynomial has 5 terms, then we can say that's polynomial with 5 terms. Okay, does that make sense? So the name of a polynomial is determined by the number of terms. Okay, the question is to write this polynomial in standard form, right? To write any polynomial in standard form, we have to arrange the terms in order of decreasing degree. Okay, so this term has degree 2. This term has degree 4. Constant term, its degree is 0, right? So let's rewrite this polynomial in standard form. Here, degree 4, so negative 3x to the power of 4 then degree 2 here, right? So plus x squared, then constant 2. That's the polynomial in standard form. Okay, for number 2, degree 4, 3, 1, 0, right? So this should be written as 3x to the 4 minus 2x cubed minus 5x plus 1. Number 3, we have x cubed, x squared, just the x to the power of 1, right? And constant, x to the power of 0, right? So degree 3, 3x cubed, degree 2, minus x squared, degree 1, degree 0. That's the polynomial in standard form. Number 4, we have a 4, 3, 1, 0. So that's going to be y to the 4 plus 2y cubed plus 2y plus 2. And that's it.